top story on India Business Hour, India's largest natural resources company has gotten the green flag. Shareholders of Cairn India have approved the company's merger with Vedanta. Here are the key highlights. Number one, 93% of the shareholders have voted in favour of the merger. 72% of the small investors voted yes, but only 50% of the public institutions that hold stake in the company voted for the merger. Now, highlight number two, here is what Cairn India shareholders will get. For one share, they get one Vedanta share and 4 preferential shares. The preferential shares will have a face value of 10 rupees and a coupon rate of 7.5%. They will also have an 18-month tenure. CNBC TV 18's Kritika, Saxena and Nisha, Poddar, who've been tracking this mega merger, spoke with Anil Agarwal, the man of the moment, on crossing this final hurdle and what this means now for the group going forward.
The Cairn India shareholders have approved the merger between Vedanta and Cairn. We have with us Anil Agarwal. Thank you so much for joining in, sir. Congratulations. Firstly, what was the response like? 92.86% shareholders have said yes to the merger.
Yeah, this is the, and if you see the small shareholder, small shareholder, all has voted in favor because they believe the great value in this.
Right.
You know, they have seen the merger proposal. It's a two side. One side is the shareholder benefit. Other is creating a natural resource company out of India. It is unparalleled in the history where you have one company which produces 30% oil of the country. You have a copper, you have a zinc, iron ore, aluminum, one company which will be having that, and the biggest benefit would be the government.
So, Mr. Agarwal, your out of the total shareholders, minority shareholders, about 75 crores of them, 12.2 crores have voted against this merger, and rest have all given you a thumping support. I just wanted to check, a lot has been spoken about which way Cairn Energy PLC will go, which way LIC will go. As per our sources, LIC had abstained from voting in Vedanta share voting. So, in this case, who has voted in favor and who hasn't? If you could give us some details on that, LIC as well as Cairn Energy PLC.
I don't have the detail, but we are very happy this kind of majority vote has come in favor. So that's how we are looking.
So could you convince Cairn Energy PLC is what I wanted to understand, because
of course we could. We have convinced the smaller shareholder to the largest shareholder. You know, the Tom Albany who led the team and gone relentlessly last few weeks to each shareholder and can tell them the India story, can tell them how the merger will have risk averse with them. And they all were convinced. We can't. This deal is not for handshake. It's about. It is about making a presentation, telling them this product is how this product is coming out, and convincing them that if you are part of it, this will be a benefit for you.
Okay. So over and above, and I completely get your point, sir. But just to clarify, for the information of our viewers, over and above the smaller minority shareholders, the two large shareholders whose nod was very crucial are on both, that is LIC and Cairn Energy.
For me, every share, trust me, every smallest shareholder is important.
Okay.
So, it's not the question. It's not. It's a question of how you feel about this. What we are doing, and we find most of the people could convince that what we are doing. Probably, I'm just. They don't have to tell me on my face, but I could see that they felt that this is the right thing to do.
Okay. Right. And what about the cash flows now? With Cairn India, over 20,000 crore rupees of cash would be coming in the merged entity Cairn Vedanta. Now, Mr. Agarwal, how are you going to use your cash? For you, what is important right now? Do you see metal and mining and other resource businesses right now at a growth phase so that you want to invest, or you want to bring down the debt level? So is that going to be used for growth purposes or for deleveraging?
If you see our leveraging, if you look at the other natural resource company, we are 30% lower leverage than the other company.
Yeah.
you know, if you see the world standard. So we are very comfortable with the leverage. But with this money, both we are going to do. We will look at to reduce our debt. Also, we are going to put money into the growth.